Our bodies are meant to be used. We need them for our everyday lives. And if there is not movement within our heart, within our lungs, we stop living. But exercise doesn't make you fit. How can it be? You have to understand that exercise is a stressful form of movement. And since it is exertive, as the word suggests, it leads to damage. And damage can never be good. If you wreck your car and you need to take it to the guy that fixes it, it's not good. You are spending, you are in expenditure for that repair. And for your body, it has to be the same. Just because after the damage it now looks great and possibly even shinier than before, it doesn't mean it didn't come at a huge cost. Our bodies are just like anything else in nature. They age naturally, but they will deteriorate if you don't use them properly. What is being fit? It is being healthy and well. By each means, you need to do some natural movement. And since it is suave, it will lead to the preservation of your vessel. Thanks for watching.